Welcome all of you to my video channel. Mainly, tutorial videos are included in this channel. The tutorial on electrical panel and maintenance contain videos that will give more knowledge to those who want to know about electrical panels. As part of fire and smoke control, there are videos explaining fire and safety, smoke management system and smoke control system. Other videos from this video channel are easy to do home electrical work, educational videos, and descriptions of books, blogs, travel and culture. Also includes a basic description of electronics and the design and construction of a printed circuit board. Subscribe to the channel to get more videos and updates.